Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the American breakfast. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Do Americans usually eat pizza for breakfast? No. They typically eat eggs, bacon, toast, and pancakes. Is coffee a common part of the American breakfast? Yes, most Americans start their day with coffee. Are scrambled eggs and fried eggs both common in the U.S.? Yes, they are both popular ways to eat eggs. Do Americans eat grits and biscuits everywhere in the country? No. Those are more common in the southern United States. Is breakfast usually a long, slow meal during the week? No. On weekdays, it's often quick and convenient. Do many Americans eat cereal or toast for breakfast? Yes, they are common weekday breakfast choices. Are smoothies and avocado toast becoming more popular? Yes. They are modern and healthy breakfast options. Do most Americans eat breakfast with their families every day? No, usually only on weekends when there's more time. Is maple syrup used on bacon in the U.S.? No, it's usually used on pancakes or waffles. Is yogurt with granola a traditional American breakfast from the past? No. It's a more recent and healthier option. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos in this amazing series about learning English and understanding American culture. See you in the next adventure.